Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve privacy on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.